It's been quite cold lately, so I decided it was definitely time for a warm smoothie. I started by warming applesauce, or you could blend your own apples in the blender. I added it to a plant-based milk on the stove top and warm to my liking. I added the ingredients to a blender. Now, if your blender cannot blend hot ingredients, you can do this all in reverse. Blend all the ingredients first and then warm it on the stovetop. Next, I added in bananas, for perhaps you could use dates, almond butter, and I just couldn't help myself. I put greens in just about every smoothie, and I couldn't help but put spinach into the smoothie too. I added a touch of cinnamon, and then I blend it. But remember, you can do this all in reverse order if you cannot blend hot ingredients. This was so tasty, to my delight. I was amazed at how good it was because I'm kind of used to either room temperature smoothies. The warm smoothie just hit the right spot on a cold winter day. Thanks for joining me. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe below for more videos like this.